Hello everyone, my name is Charlene Mafumo. I've been attending the YEP workshop in Bindura, the 2018 edition, and I've learned a lot from the YEP workshop. As a young entrepreneur, I've engaged into the confectionery field, producing products like cakes, buns, biscuits and pizza in Bindura. That is where I am based. By 31st of December, I've been targeting to increase my sales revenue by 20%. I'll be managing to do this in the fact that I'm going to increase the quantity of the raw materials that I've been using in the production process by investing my own savings into the business. And also I'm targeting also to buy a much more bigger machinery to use in the production process, which is the double deck oven, and I'm going to fund this by reinvesting back the profits that I'll be making in the business for the benefit of a much more bigger scale production. And I've also managed to contract schools and other big supermarkets that are operating in Bindura, and I've managed also to withstand the competition that I am within, like the likes of Lobes and Bakersyn. I've managed to do this by producing freshly produced products almost on 3 hours a day. I'll be making something fresh so that my customers will be always having something fresh on the ground. So this is how I've managed to survive in the business. Thank you everyone.
I've attended the YEP workshop in Mashonaland Central at Bindura. I'm a poultry farmer who is looking into a poultry business and to be a successful poultry farmer. Currently, I'm running a broiler production project in Nguruve, and my idea is to become one of the successful poultry farmer in Zimbabwe, whereby I'll manage to create my own market by opening food outlets. So I'll rear my chickens and I'll go straight into the restaurant where I'll create that market. This idea, the goals I have right now is to construct at least a fowl run which can accommodate at least 500 beds by 30 November 2018. And by 31st December this year, I'm anticipating to run at least a batch of 250 road runners in Nguruve. This is my whole idea, and I'm anticipating to register the company at least at 30 June 2019, whereby I'll be running it as a business and employ and create employment in the local communities. Thank you.
I recently started up my company called MCA Tech, which is a basic engineering firm, technology firm that focuses on helping SMEs in their technological and engineering resources. So basically the company is in 3 parts. We have the product research and development, where we help clients that come to us with their products or machinery, and we help them to make them efficient in order to be more productive. And also we have a consultants agents, where we're saying the SMEs, due to the lack of having the necessary resources, the necessary knowledge, they should come to us so that we can work to hand in hand to broaden or to improve their businesses. Also we have an innovator space, where we are saying a bunch of the Zimbabwe's equipment is being imported from outside, but we're saying we have the necessary technology and the resources to build in. So currently we are working on a low cost magnetic stirrer. So the magnetic stirrer is basically a lab equipment which we are going to produce into the Zimbabwe market. So basically the company outline goal is to reach the 1,000 revenue mark by 31st December. So basically what we are going to try to do is formally register the company at least by 5 October. Then throughout there we are going to do an intensive marketing on social media. As well, we are going to visit hotspots for SMEs such as Mbari, Magaba and the like, so we can have a face-to-face interactions with the stakeholders there, because they are our clients. And consider that 65% of the Zimbabwe market share is basically SME, so the amount of market that we approach is tremendous. So basically here, the year program, we've learned a lot from being proactive to take action, to know that as an entrepreneur it's already a battle, so we should strive ourselves for a battle and also strive ourselves for a race, not a sprint. So basically we greatly appreciate the involvement and the facilitator. It was a real encouragement, because he ironed out some of the issues we tended to overlook, such as soft skills, being committed and setting deadlines. So we just want to thank and say we are going to take proactive action in order to accomplish our goals.
My name is Tracy Harry Mukasa, and I am a life skills trainer. I train people how to make handmade carpets, handmade door mats, bathroom mats, and centerpieces for the lounges. I have attended the YEP program, which is in Bindura, and as an entrepreneur, I have to take action. I will get sponsorship from the corporates so that I will train orphans who are being released into the society. I will open distribution centers in other towns apart from Harare, so that the raw materials that we use to make the carpets are going to be easily accessible for the trainees. I will also help all the trainees who are making their carpets. I will help them sell their carpets by taking a commission of 10%. I will also approach ZIMSEC for them to add handmade carpets to their curriculum, the same way they have added woodwork, fashion and fabrics, food and nutrition. Thank you.
My name is Maili Ramji. I've been taking part in the YEP program, which is the Young Entrepreneurs Program, which is from CBZ, and I can tell anybody would like to try and join it. It is a great program for all the young people out there. Make sure you are part of this program. I've learned so much just being here. I've learned about some models that help us in our business, skills and knowledge and everything. I feel I've got everything I need to take me forward. I will be opening a company by the 31st of October. I'll be registering my company. I'll be getting my marketing materials by the 30th of November, and I will have opened my own very own company with a location by the 31st of December. By next year, I will have my staff members. I will have my, after my staff members, I will start my sales, and I hope that people will come and be part of it, because this is a great program. Thank you everyone. Thank you CBZ.
Miss Nashe, I'm from Guru. I've been attending the HELP program 2018. I want to do horticulture. I've got my bore drilled at Guru at 100 meters. Currently I'm doing broiler production so that I can add on my capital to the horticulture. I want to grow potatoes, cabbages. I've done my market research, and I found out that in Guru there are no people who are doing horticulture, so I want to be the sole providers for all the vendors who are traveling as far as Harare to go and make their orders. I also want to open my shop, which would offering greens, and also in the long run I'm planning to do poultry production at a larger scale so that I can also open a butcher. Thank you.
I've been attending the 2018 year program. By nature, Africans are obsessed with fashion. I've discovered a gap that is between clothing and leather products, for example, shoes, bags and belts. My idea is to marry the three and produce custom-made products that suits individual tastes and likes. So this will be based on individual orders, and they'll be very expensive. I'll be charging because I'll be measuring on quality than quantity. So definitely that's what I'll be doing, and by 31 October I'll be establishing my business and service the machines that we already have, because we have the machinery to do to manufacture the product. Definitely by 31 December I'll be taking in some sales, and I'm targeting the festive season for my first production. Thank you.